Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and getting power flowing. Connect the Targus AC adapter to the dock and a grounded outlet. You should see the power LED. Once done, route the dock cable so it reaches the laptop without strain and allow airflow around vents. Heat affects performance. Make sure your laptop is off or asleep when connecting for a smoother handshake. If using a docking cable type, identify the correct port on your laptop so the next step is immediate and secure. Next, you attach displays and peripherals to the dock before linking the laptop. This prevents repeated redetection. Connect HDMI or DisplayPort cables to your monitor, and plug in Ethernet, USB keyboard/mouse, audio, and external drives. Once your ports are connected, plug the dock cable into the laptop port. You'll often hear device connect sounds and see charging start. Make sure drivers install if prompted, and open display settings to arrange monitors. Finally, you optimize settings and verify everything works. Arrange displays, set resolutions and primary monitor, and choose audio output in your operating system so applications behave predictably. If devices are sluggish or missing, check for Targus firmware or driver updates because fixes often resolve compatibility. If problems continue, power cycle the dock and laptop, then test with another cable or port to isolate the fault. One key troubleshooting tip. Swapping the dock's USB-C/Thunderbolt cable often reveals whether the dock, cable,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.